Alright, this will be the elevator at the Sentinel building here at United Way in Tucson. Also Tucson Community Resource Center, never mind. It's like a little campus. This is a modernized Dover elevator. Yeah, I sure love that bell. Let's go to 2. You can't go to 3. You gotta have a key to go to 3. Takes a Dover 1848, as you can see by the lock. Let's take one more ride. We'll get off at 1. Your basic elevator, pretty much. There's your certificate. It's a 2,100 pound capacity. Let's get off here.